Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing things and people. I've tried playing a lot of games for the past couple minutes and none of them have worked. So we're just gonna yeet. No! So there's not much goal to this game. It's kind of like a free roam game, and unfortunately I'm stuck in first person. And it's kind of like you just fling things around, and I do have this big guy. See, you see these two hands? I can do fun things with these hands. So, let me spawn in some clones. There we go. Yeet. Come on. Yeet. Yeah, grab. Come on. Come on. There we go. No, I didn't mean to drop you. Come on. No. Gosh. Okay. There we go. You know what I can do? Yeet! I am just a beast in this game with this guy. I'm coming for you. Yeet! Bum, 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 bum. I am Mr. Big. Hello! Yeet! Mr. Hasta la vista. Oh, hello, Mr. Clone. Yeet. Grab. 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 There we go. Yeet. No! Mister, you're back! Mister! Oh my gosh, Mister is angry. Mister is very angry boy. Mister! Yeet! I am alive! Get a tractor! No! No! Stop! Ah! No! Tractors are useful. Let me show you what you can do. You can go like that. You can go like yeet. We shall move fast. Because since we can pull, we can sit down, and that means we can fly and point whatever direction we want. Do 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 do. Hello, Mr. Train. Mr. Train. Hello, Train. How are you? Hello. Hello. I said hello. 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 How you doing? Come on. There we go. Slow down. There we go. Oh, no, tractor. No. Well, anyway, we can get inside. And this is what we can do. I want to sit down. Okay, it looks like we're sitting up here. See, guys, we can just fly around. I spawned a clone. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Ooh, Mr. Handle. Handle. Spin. Spin. Alrighty, come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. Egg. 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 Alrighty, I have 100 points. See, I have 100 coins. And everyone, this is my little house. This is my little house. It's my Minecraft chest. He's fun. Woo! Done with the music. What the? What the? Oh, you waved! Oh, thanks, bro. Oh. Hello, friend. I see you're just chilling in here. Well, I want to grab you. Ah. You're just a friend, you know? I definitely wouldn't drop you in there, yeet. Ooh, hello. Hello. Hello! No! I don't think he likes me, guys. Spawned a new tractor, and here we go. Go! Do 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 do. Blah 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 blah. Hello! Hello, Mr. Friend! No, my tractor! No, I want that island. It's so high. Come on. I will keep this island. How high? It's so high. Bro dropped it. No, I dropped myself. Come on, moving closer. Ooh, this one seems nice. Or go back here. Let's go here. Here seems pretty good. Hello, hello, friend. No, except he's dead, please. Sorry. Alrighty, let's see. I have too many toys. Alrighty, everyone, we are gonna quickly cut and then. Alrighty, everyone, we are all finished. That took forever. Holy cow. That took forever. You see, everyone, let's have a little tour. Let's a little bed, a little plant. This is. Are you Binja? That's weird. Again? Okay, this is Benjamin Kansas. Benjamin Kansas. This is Nervous Ninja. And then this is Sad Man Pants Plant. And then this is Groovy McTable's Lab. So, yeah, I forgot to say, this plant is Plancy McLancy. And, yeah. Nice. I tried getting some other stuff, but everything just kept unfit. You know, that guy is actually really nerve-wracking. Just him just there. How about you just no, you're not knocking him over. How about we just plop you right there? No! Hello, son. Hello, Daddy. I am Crinja. I like to say lots of cringe words. Why? Now, I will say one right now. That's the most cringe word I can think of. Look, Daddy, I'm old now. That's nice, son. Well, son, I must say one thing. Pick me up. Okay, Daddy. Lift me up. And yeet me towards the sun! Daddy? Daddy? Thanks, son. You're welcome. That was nice. Well, I'll stay down here if that's okay with you, right? Okay. Well, everyone, I am Mr. Big Man. Woo! Hello, sir. I wanted that. No, I spawned in a big boy. No, my big boy is gone. There we go. Big boy. No, what the? No, bro. I spawned in a big boy for a reason. Come on, this is what always happens. I'll always spawn in my big boys and everyone will just take my big boys. I grab yeet. Alrighty, well everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed Nutmeg. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!